In this video, we're going to walk through creating a component interface. This will be a new component interface. From the File menu, click New, or click the New icon, and select Component Interface. Next, click OK, and you will need to select the actual component that the component interface is built upon. If you recall from our document in our guide, a component interface is built on a single component. So we must choose a component, and we're going to choose, in our case, the user mate component, and simply select the component. And when you do, the first thing it will ask you is, do you want to default the properties based on the component definition? And I always choose yes, and what that does is it brings over the defaults, and as you see now, we have created a component interface with the default information. So get keys, find keys, create keys, and then all the associated properties that are exposed by default through the component interface. And you can see what we have here under properties are the fields as well as a set of collections which are identified by this cube. And a collection, if you recall from the guide, is simply a scroll. So if you look over here, PS opera alias in the component interface view, and on the left hand side you see that this is actually a collection based off of a scroll, which is the PS opera alias primary record. So these are all now created here, and you can simply save your component to save what you have already. Again, if you want to be able to manipulate any particular data within this component or any of the records or fields, they need to be exposed, and what that means is they need to be listed over in the component view. So you can at any time drag any other fields that you want to expose over to the component view, as I just did, and they'll show up, and now they'll be accessible and you'll be able to manipulate them.